How to add or change text code quick responses on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the phone application. Then tap on the menu button at the top. Now we go down and tap on settings. In code settings, tap on text code. Then scroll down and tap on quick responses. Now from here, we're going to tap on add quick response to add in a new response. Here type in a shortcut, for example driving. And then we're going to put in the response. And then tap on saved. Okay, so let's test it out. But before we do that, let's do a change as well. So here we can change that. Sorry, so if I tap on it to open, and here we can change it. Okay, so we can change your quick response text as well. So let's test it out. Okay, so I've got an incoming call. And tap on call screening. In call screening, there is a text code option right here. Then tap on text code. Here we can swipe across and choose your text code shortcut.
I am driving now. Just to clarify, who are you?
And that's it. So that is the text code quick responses. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.